How to turn on double tap to wake or turn off a screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you wish to turn on this feature on your Android phone, simply launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down and open Additional Settings. Now scroll down. Locate the option of gestures and motions or simply motions and gestures depending upon your device. Tap to open it. Now here you need to simply tap screen off gestures at top of the screen. And here you need to make sure to locate double tap to wake or turn off a screen option and make sure to toggle the button on in order to turn on this feature on your Android phone. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.